Mango is a breakthrough product. It is made of stainless steel and plastic, which makes it safe yet durable. If you are wondering what a three-stage sharpening is, let me explain. The first stage, made of carbide, is used to sharpen damaged and dull ceramic knives. The second stage, or the core stage, is for sharpening the metal knives. And last but not the least, the fine stage is to give the finishing touch to any already sharpened knife. This handy tool is a must-have to keep your knives sharp and in good condition.
Presenting the Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper in blue color. This 900 milliliter large capacity chopper is useful for chopping large quantity of vegetables and fruits, enabling you to save time and effort in the kitchen. This chopper is made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting use. It has a sturdy three-blade design made from stainless steel that is useful for fine chopping of fruits and vegetables with minimal effort. The chopper has a unique string function to chop with ease. It is eco-friendly and does not require electricity to work. It has a sleek and compact design to fit easily into the kitchen shelves. This product comes with standard brand warranty.